pick me up. I had my hopes up high. I never thought that I would ever wonder why I ever said goodbye. I had my hopes up high. Well, the first ride I got was in a dynamite truck. The driver kept telling me his bad luck. As we swerved around the curves, I began to shout. I said, hey, mister, would you let me out? I had my hopes up high. I never thought that I would ever wonder why I ever said goodbye. I had my hopes up high. All in a stubble, running from the law. He was going 99. I said, hey, mister, you're out of your mind. I had my hopes up high. I never thought that I would ever wonder why I ever said goodbye. I had my hopes up high. And the next ride I got was with the preacher man. Told me that the wicked would be buried in sand. I don't know why I did it, but I lost control. I said, hey, Papa, would you save my soul? I had my hopes up high. I never thought that I would ever wonder why I ever said goodbye. I had my hopes up high. Thinking about the preacher down in Louisiana. Now